Well, good morning and thanks for joining me. We are watching a system that's going to produce some new snow for our region. And the good news is we are on the side where we're only going to see a couple inches worth, but that really ramps up once we start to move down to the south and east, specifically Minnesota. Some places could see a foot of new snow. So for us, it's just going to be a couple inches. The other thing to note are the cold temperatures this morning. In fact, low temperatures this morning are very cool out there. Here I'm at 10 below, Watertown, 0 degrees, and then you factor in those winds as well, and it feels closer to 15 below in Brookings and 8 below in Watertown. So definitely keep a coat nearby because it is a brisk start to the morning. All right, light cloud deck is continuing to thicken up as it streams in out of the south, and this is actually the leading edge of a rather potent system that is going to be working on through as we do plan ahead. What we're going to see is that low pressure system is going to lift up to the north. Now for us, we're expected to see some of these initial snow bands into the late evening. Watertown, expected to see this around 8:30, 9 p.m. tonight. And the leading snow band is where we're really expected to see the highest snow totals come in with this. Potentially could see 1 to 3 inches in short order from about that 9 p.m. time until midnight. You could actually accumulate the potential of 1 to 3 inches when all is said and done. Now, you'll also notice that system slowly spins its way on through. So that's why on Tuesday we're still watching for light snow showers to continue to accumulate, potentially another inch to maybe 3 once we look further to the south and east. Wednesday could see a couple of light flakes, but don't really expect that to have much accumulative prowess with that. So what we're going to see is tonight that snow begins to move on, and for the most part staying to our south and east. Tuesday also watching additional snow showers coming on in, and then Wednesday there comes that little bit of flakes on through. So what are we really expecting? Well, for Watertown we could expect around that 2-inch mark as we move up to the north. Really just kind of a dusting. It's rather sharp cutoff as the system gets pulled off by the jet stream, and that's really what's prompting the sharp cutoff. But then look at this, once you get over to Ivanhoe, potentially 6 inches, and that number just keeps climbing higher and higher. Like I was saying, some places in Minnesota have the very real potential of seeing a foot of new accumulations. Winds will also be out of the northeast to north later on, around 10 to 15 miles an hour, so that could prompt some drifting as well. So take that in consideration with this new snowfall, as that could definitely drop our visibilities. All right, Monday we're going to watch that initial pulse come in very late in the day, but still we will see that snow very late in the day, hence a 60% chance. Much of the day is going to be very nice. Tuesday, light snow showers through much of the day, adding on just a little bit more accumulations. Wednesday, some flakes will stick around, then the rest of the week is actually looked to be on the mild side.